Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to programming workout number 807. Okay, so let me change the number in uh, uh, here. Um, where is it? Where is it? Here, 807. Okay, well, let's go. So I'll start the timer. Well, I have to admit that I don't have much of the experience with different SPA frameworks, so I'm not really the one to make much of the comparison, unfortunately. It is a tool. But people who have like experience in different ones, they say that the Angular has really nicely done routing compared to, for example, React. But I don't know. Yeah. Have you? Really, how do you like it? %, 35. That might be my first attempt. Oh my, okay. So here we go. 12%, 35 VPM. Was that how I supposed to do that? Yeah, error rate. So that was how much it was? 1235. 1235. Yeah. For me, all of that is, they are just tools. And no matter which tool I will use, I hope to do some good in the world with any tool. Yeah, that will probably work. Worse than my attempts. Okay, so I have this thing. Is it running? I don't think so. No. Okay, how they are running it. Package says our scripts here. Start. They are doing ngserve, so we will open it as well. So, yeah, serve, not server. I always write server. Open. Hey, Tomcat. It's nice to see you. Remember? No, I don't. What the fuck is that? It will be like November, but for like no, not cannot. Did I? This thing. Welcome back special. Limitation fuel for all returning members. Ends offer Wim. Wim Fitness. Oh, is that what you? Well, I'm using Wim key bindings. Does that count? Does that count? There's a gym called Vim, huh? Look at that. Yeah, November would be would be a really good one. November sounds great. Double your Vim points. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so this one is open. I was playing with this. Well, no. Remember is maybe for me like November sounds like so much better. Like it sounds awesome. I love it. November. You have to tell your colleagues in areas. They will be astonished. Okay, let's do this. I'll start the timer, which means I will learn, or at least try. Oh, by the way, we've got starting. It already started. We have in work. We have a 1 hour per day for like self-improvement or learning. So maybe I could use that time to stream it. Was thinking. You know, but thinking is a little bit far from doing, as you know. So there's that. Which day? All days. Every day. Each day we can take 1 working hour and just learn some shit. It could be something random as well. There's no requirement. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, same here. Same here. Welcome to the channel. I don't think I have seen you here. Well, yeah. Probably without push-ups at that time. But, ooh. And we have a pull-up bar at work as well, so maybe I could do pull-ups. Oh, really? fuck. I'm so sorry. I apologize. My apology. Sorry. I love it. And I'm not learning. Oh, that's okay. At least I have fun. Okay, the ng model first. Import. Bam, in the modules. ng modules. Done. What's next? Add ng module to HTML. Bam, done. Okay, what it does, it listens to the event listener thingy. No, it creates the event listener. Yeah, something like that. Bam, done. Go here for Java, stay for Angular. How dare you not watching Twitch because of work? I haven't been streaming for a few weeks as well. I spent usually like it. For example, yesterday I came around 11 at night at home from work. It's because, you know, like on some of the code reviews, there's so much wrong. So I spent really like a lot of time just replying to what needs to be done. Yeah, I hope it's going good as well. Sure. Current item name. So now we have a binding, like two-way binding. Syntax can only set a data bound property. What does it mean? Customize, separate property and event binding. Is it event or event? I don't know. Potato, potato. That's what we were doing last time. Angular provides value accesses for all of the basic HTML form elements. For more information, see forms. Maybe another time. Programming for my master thesis and looking for being done next year. It's looking bright. Oh, nice. Noise, noise, noise. Awesome. Supported by control value accessories, for the fuck's sake, what? Between the Angular forms and API and the native element. Yeah, I also thought that they are at the university. You have to write a value accessor. That's probably something which we have at work. Yeah, especially if you don't have to sell your kidneys as in US to actually have the university degree. Oh fuck, I'm tired already. I'm toasted already again. I don't. It's not going in, guys. Well, thanks a lot. fuck, can I change the color? Oh fuck, no, not one. No. No. Oh, I hope I didn't. Okay, well, not clicking that ever again. No. Oh, yeah. I could reload this and then it's the same. Okay, whatever. Yeah, G4 repeats. Okay, this one we know. How the Marhaban, Light. Marhaban. Assalamualaikum. How's everything? Well, I write essays now in the code reviews. It work. A bit sad, but now I'm guessing it's kind of normal for me. So I guess it's normal. Normal. Writing is hard. Yeah, I spend like hours now just writing what needs to be done, and I already know that just because what I have seen in there, you know, I know that it will take a long time. It will take a long time before, and now I will observe the work of the entire team. They are very junior in, I would guess, everything based on the work they did. Even merge in into feature branch. So I guess I will be major slowdown from them for them now, but it's not acceptable to have in the code base what they were producing. It's 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 not good. It's not good. It cannot be. So yeah, so that's how like the work is. Actually, I was kind of surprised in like just like recently. I had this like moment in a work when I just like kind of realized, you know, like when I went from, you know, like when you start, you know, and maybe I told you already, right? Like I had like tough times in some like previous jobs and so on. Some bad colleagues, you know, and I was like really unskilled, and my work, you know, wasn't the greatest. No, it wasn't the worst, you know, but there was something left to be desired, right? And suddenly I just realized, you know, like you just work, you learn, and you just continue, and it was like 2 days ago or maybe yesterday, I suddenly realized that, like, wow, I'm suddenly in position, you know, when if someone doesn't know how to do something, they will contact me to do it or ask for a help, you know, how to do it. And now I am not supervising in a sense that I would be put in a place of a supervisor to anyone, but I am, you know, like the quality gatekeeper in some of the occasions. Oh, thank you. You're a mentor to people? Well, in a sense, but more on the topic how to like treat I Dario to some biscuits. Now how to treat like other people and stuff like that. On a technical thing, you know, it's just uh, from time to time, you know, someone asks me. Yeah, but I try to form like, you know, when I critique something, you know, I always provide the exact steps how to do it better, you know, like a constructive feedback, you know. Oh, thank you. Oh, see, the confidence come and goes. You know, sometimes I know something and then, oh, really? Oh, thank you. Yeah. But, you know, just to be honest, you know, like the quality of the or the seniority of the developers in the current company, uh, the vast majority of them is not great. It's not very high. So, you know, it might be just comparison with them, you know, in another settings. I would not be the one who would like guard the quality of the code. I do remember you were that confident for a reason. Yeah, but I'll show you something. I will send it to the Discord. If I will be able to, maybe I will. It's basically the same thing as I shared the last time. They're just like writing unit tests which are not testing the system under the test at all. Like they what they did is they would have a let's pretend that this here, or I can create the Scratch. Okay, I don't know how to do it now. So we will go here, and they would go here. It would be the it test. Which should do xxx, right? And then there would be the lambda expression, which would hold the entirety of the test. And what they were doing was they somewhere should call ABC, right? And they would do component, do stuff, and then they would do component dot ABC, and they would do expect component dot ABC to have been called, right? which now means that you don't even have to call the component, and this test will still pass. Yeah. So that I did catch, for example, today in a code review, and in fact, unit test in that team passed their code review. So now I will be added to as a reviewer to anything they are doing in the team. And we'll catch that. I will show them how to do it, and everyone will be happier. They will know more. I will not cry because of the awful code. Yeah. Speaking on LT time. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay, let's do it now. What do you want to know? Is there a topic you want me to talk about? Stop. Set. I want to hear you talk about it. How long it take for testing to complete usually in this case? The unit testing, to write the unit test, or for the QA to test. Favorite black teas? Oh, we can talk about the black teas. Okay, so let's do this thing. Oh, this depends very greatly. For example, right now we are working on a task which for the developer, it's usually change one line in the code and it's done, and then write unit test. But the QA for it takes days, because that change could be accessed through many screens. Many screens can land on that one thing, right? And you need to all the triggers must work, right? So that takes days. Sometimes it's the other way around. You code it for a long time, and then it's just one button does some shit, and that's it. So there's that. But usually, like, yeah. It depends. It really depends. And I'm not doing the QA, so I don't have the best oversight. Anyway, the red teas. Red teas. Just everyone is writing it. So the red teas. I just remembered there's this famous red tea which is called, oh fucking A, smoked red tea. Smoked red tea, how is Lapsang Soshang, yes. So there is a tea there, and there's this history about it. There's a myth, if you will, and that is they tried to dry some tea, and there was some problem with it. Maybe there was no firewood or whatever, and they used a pine tree to smoke it. So, oh yeah, the red teas are black teas, but it depends who you ask, because the red tea and the black tea, Uh, by the manufacturing is the same, but beware, some of the people are making difference between the red teas which are manufactured in China and the red teas which are manufactured in India and Sri Lanka and so on. And then some people are calling the black teas from the China the red tea, and the red tea from the India black tea. So there might be the difference because the process of manufacturing is a bit different, but in the general terms, it's basically the same. That means that you wither the tea leaf. After the withering, you don't crush it. Well, the Indians crush it if they do like CTC, which is this almost fine dust, which the Chinese don't do. They just like squish it together, and it breaks the cells a bit, and then release all the like components which they contribute to oxidation process, and then you stop the oxidation by heat. So that's in short. That's what the red tea is. So both of them could, in this sense, are red tea, but there is differences between manufacturing both. Yeah. Terry Luxon Sochon Rauch tea in front of me right now. I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, so the best ones are manufactured that while drying, they are dried on top of the pine trees, pine branches. It smokes a lot, so it takes in the aroma. Those ones which are not as high sorted, not as that doesn't have as high quality. They use some like essence, which is some like chemical. Well, that can be true. That can be true. All of the teas which are flavored, they have some fragrance or something like that. You are running into risk that the manufacturer is actually trying to improve a tea which is not as good as some other one, and they are trying to hide something, yeah. When it's cheap, it's usually like one of the tell signs that they might not be the best thing. Yeah. When did my love of tea begin? Well, at the university. At the time I was leading very lonely life, which I kind of do now as well. And that was, I went just from the university to the school, from the school to the work, And that time at the time I didn't even had a money for food. I mean, I had money, but I was eating bread, and so like even like social life, like just going somewhere to a pub or something that was not like really well, I couldn't because of the money, but I would probably not. It's not something I like to do. So, anyways, and in the building where I was living, there was a tea club for students. It was very cheap, and so I could go there. It was very, very dirty cheap. And then there were also people which I liked, and their enthusiasts enthusiasm about it. Hey, Alan, nice to see you. Yeah, so that's where it started for me. Okay, so this is done. Stop and close. Anyway, I can continue. I haven't seen you for a while. I have a job now, Alan. Do you know that? Not at all. My pleasure. My pleasure. I'm doing good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Yeah, it is. I was just telling guys that, now it even happens that when someone doesn't know how to do something at front end, they are searching for my expertise. And yeah, which is nice. Feels nice. Yeah, but I have to improve. I have to improve a lot, but still. Well, not really a mentor. It's just they are like asking me a questions and I answer. And now I am supervising a work of a team. An expert. I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert by far, no, and that's not me being humble. But I know more than some people hired in there, so. Yeah, but the supervisor is kind of self-imposed, I just couldn't let it be as it was, so now I'm just, but I try to be nice, explain everything. But the current PR, I know I will kill it for like a week at least. Oh, maybe she will surprise me. Yeah, raise. Well, for a raise, I will probably jump to another company. That's the bigger raise you can get. It's just how it works. It's to get an experience which look impressive on your CV, whatever it is, leading a team, solve and being team lead for a epic or something like that, and then it looks nice. You have something nice to talk about on an interview, and then they will give you more money. Maybe try to get a title change before that. Well, I'm there as a full stack developer. So, and everyone is. It's not in the company. It's not really about the titles, There was only one person who did sign emails as senior developer, and he was fired. No one else writes that. It's just your name, no titles. You do some stuff over time, then you are known, and that is your title. Your name is your title, and the work which you did previously, that's your title. which is good principle, I think. Yeah, it's not like official policy. It's just how it works. But I do front end only. Since I started, I haven't done anything at the back end. Well, I did do a tiny bit on the back end. But now all I do is front end. And that is because it's shit. It's really bad. It's really bad, and there's just too much work on it. And they have like some people which are able to do the back end work, but the front end, there's yeah, they need help. My code almost works. No title, you just say open source contributor. If you want something fancy to write on your resume. Open source contributor. Yeah, that would be nice. Off by 2 meters there. Well, that's good if you are like building a canal. It's not good off by 2 meters if you are. Oh yeah, ship it. Okay, I'm not reading this at all. Sure, NG if we know. Guarding against Dell. Yeah, well. If you don't mind, look like a junior, then yeah. But if someone puts like the number of stars on it, I don't know. Like if the project is famous, you know, or popular, like the number of users, for example, is something which like stands out. Why not? Okay. Ten seconds? I don't have a 10 seconds. It's too much. So then the video starts playing, right? Okay, so no, it doesn't. Oh, yeah. There's like two markets There is for juniors and there is for someone who have a 1 and more year on your resume. If you have a 1 and more year of resume, uh, you don't have to do anything. They will give you a job like everywhere. Like, look at me, I got job. I'm learning the basics here again. Yeah, but when I have heard that getting the foot in the door might be hard. Oh wow, that's really good. Yeah, G4, I know how the G4 works. I don't need repeating component. Yeah, it's the same thing. No, you didn't. I don't think you did. Maybe because I wasn't here for a long time as well, right? Florida man, for your information. That, that looks like a joke as well. Is that real side? Oh, nice. It's in Germany, right? If I remember correctly. Ja, ja. Alan, the Florida man. That sounds degrading for some reason to me. I'm sorry. I mean, it shouldn't be, right? But the only thing I saw, like all these memes, like Florida man this, Florida man that. It's usually nothing flattering, really. Yeah, I also did not expect Alan to, because it doesn't fit into the memes, right? Like the Florida man. AG4 meeting when condition is true. Oh, look at that. G4 and GF. Okay, so it is. The fuck? Oh, maybe the weather. When I was working with the US guys, they told me the the US is full of crazy people, and they were so crazy that they were intolerable even in Europe. So they went into US to practice their batshit crazy religions and ideas. That's what they said. Yeah, I will probably, after this, I will probably go sleep. I'm tired. A good idea is to stream tomorrow morning, but you know how it is with me lately. I'm not native of Florida, but after 20 years, okay. So, maybe it's not because of the weather. What do you mean, but after 20 years? So, like, after 20 years, since you would be living there, then you might get crazy. I have to say, it's so crazy good, you know, that you can connect with the people all around the world, you know, like Florida, Germany, Czech Republic, twice in here. I don't know where you are from, Aida Benetti. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, yeah, I cannot tell where Daenerys is from because he don't want to like make it public, but I know it's somewhere in the Europe. Alabama, here we go, and that's the Forrest Gump country, right? He was from Alabama, right? England, noise. I was in England for fish and chips. Did not like it much. Sounds bloody swell, mate. That's the proper English, eh? Reload. Only those items that have changed rather than loading the entire items. Track by. Oh, really? Huh, look at that. That English in it? Oh, yo, mate. about the init part though. Oh really? Yeah. I've seen like one video of like lady doing accents from all of the United Kingdom. Yeah, there's wankers everywhere. All over the fucking place. Oh yeah, and fucking instead of fucking, like fucking place. It's fucking drive, isn't it? Okay, so what? Okay, so we are done with this. I didn't learn much anyway.